Good morning, students. Welcome to our English literature classes. And as you all know, we are very near to end our poem and already ended the poem, the illustration of the poem, that is a small pain in my chest. And now we already completed the exercise A and B, and today is a turn for exercise C. And here, and you have to firstly open your own book, and that is page number 50, as you know, and read the question first. Pause my video, read the question, and then again just play video, and then just carefully just listen, and then write up in your notebook. Okay, so firstly I'm going to read for you. This is our C exercise. Read these lines. This is our kind of reference to context portion of our question answer. So read these lines from the poem and answer the question that follow. So first one is, I count myself more lucky than the rest. This is the line you can see in our poem, in our given poem. And we have one question here, very first question here, that is, who is the speaker? So they are asking for the speaker. Students, who is the speaker? Who is actually telling us something about the story, about the thing, about the poem? So you can easily just see here in our book that in all 8 stanzas, only soldier was talking about the situation. So answer is what? Now you can guess the answer. The soldier is the speaker, because in our half of the poem, at least half, more than half, in the poem, only the soldier is talking about himself. So this is the answer first. What? That is, you can repeat with me, that is, the soldier is the speaker, is the answer, right answer. So now the B question, where was he? So firstly I just want to explain, I just want to read the answer. So he was sitting calmly underneath a tree, as you can see in our poem also, in the starting poem, the first page, front page, that is also you can see he was sitting there. So as we can easily see that he was sitting under a tree, and also in our poem you can collect this knowledge that after the injury he was calmly sitting over there. So next answer is, he was sitting calmly underneath a tree. Underneath means under somewhere. Okay, then next, the third C question is here, why did he consider himself lucky? So firstly I just want to share the answer, and then I will explain little more. So third, the C answer is here, he considered himself lucky because every soldier had died, but he was still alive with a small pain in his chest. So students, why he considered himself lucky? Because that was a huge blast, as you know, the huge explosion and in the war, and after that no one is alive, and everywhere the dead bodies were and destruction were spreaded. So he thinks him very lucky enough as he alive and can share his pain his pain with someone at that moment, that painful moment. Okay, so I think this is clear. So next question now, last question: do you think he is lucky? Very nice question. This is actually for you. You can also mention your own idea here, own opinion here, give reason for your answer. So the answer should be yes. Yes, the soldier is lucky. Yes, he is lucky because he could find someone to talk to him as he going to die, and was lucky enough to express his small pain of chest to someone. Yes, as I told you before, that soldier was lucky enough because he can still share his last words to someone, to whom? To narrator actually, na, to someone, that how he was fought, bravely fought in that battle, and he does not let him down in front of the people, in front of the enemies. So these are the answers. You have to write properly in your notebook, but remember you have to write the reference also, the kind of poem line you have to mention, as you know. So student, I hope you can understand now the reference to the contest type questions answers in our English literature class. More in next class. Till then, just keep studying and be healthy. Thank you.